SDK Paper Craft. Now we are going to do a paper purse for men's. Now take an A4 sheet and fold it into half. Now open this and again fold it into half. Now this side also fold it into half. Now open the two sides and one side let's do like this and again fold it. Now this side fold it into half and fold like this. Now here gap is there, so open this and in the corner let's fold like this, two sides fold like this and paste gum. Now I folded and pasted glue. Now fold it into half and paste here also. Now our purse is ready. Now fold like this and we can keep in our pocket. Bye friends, like this video and subscribe, share and press the bell icon. Bye friends.